Hello everyone and welcome. In today's lesson, we're gonna learn some new vocabularies and grammar spells related to sports, foods and drinks, languages, nations, numbers and prices. Salom o'quvchilar. Bugungi darsimizda sport, taomlar, ichimliklar, til, millatlar, sonlar va narxlarga oid bo'lgan yangi so'zlarni va grammatik ko'nikmalarni o'rganamiz. Now, let's learn some new vocabularies related to sports, foods and drinks. Keling birgalikda sport, taom va ichimliklarga oid bo'lgan yangi so'zlarni o'rganamiz. Sports. Sport. Tennis. Tennis. Football. Futbol. Swimming. Suzish. Skiing. Chang'i sporti. Skating. Muz ustida uchish sporti. Food. Taom. Food. Taom. Italian food. Italyancha taom. Chinese food. Xitoycha taom. Pizza. Pizza. Hamburgers. Gamburgerlar. Oranges. Mandarinlar. Ice cream. Muzqaymoq. Drinks. Ichimliklar. Tea. Choy. Coffee. Kofe. Coca-Cola. Cola. Beer. Spirtli ichimliklar. Sharob. Now pause the video and match the words with pictures. Videoni to'xtating va so'zlarni rasmlarga moslab joylashtiring. And here you can check your answers. Shu yerda javoblaringizni tekshirib olishingiz mumkin. And again, pause the video and match the words with pictures. Videoni to'xtating va so'zlarni rasmlarga moslab joylashtiring. Here you can check your answers. Bu yerda javoblaringizni tekshirib olishingiz mumkin. Now let's learn some grammar spells about present simple. Keling birgalikda hozirgi zamonga oid bo'lgan grammatik ko'nikmani o'rganamiz. Positive and negative. Ijobiy va inkor. Like yoqtirmoq, bu ijobiy. I like tea. Men choyni yoqtiraman. I don't like coffee. Men kofeni yoqtirmayman. Don't, ya'ni do notning qisqartirilgan shakli, inkor variantda. I like skiing. Men chang'i uchishni yoqtiraman. I don't like skating. Men muz uchishni yoqtirmayman. I like pizza. Men pizzani yoqtiraman. But I don't like the hamburgers. Lekin men gamburgerlarni yoqtirmayman. Now let's make sentence using the new words we learned. Yangi o'rgangan so'zlarimizdan gaplarni yasaymiz. I like wine, but I don't like beer. Men sharobni yoqtiraman, lekin pivani yoqtirmayman. I like tennis, but I don't like football. Men tennisni yoqtiraman, lekin futbolni yoqtirmayman. Questions and short answers. Savollar va qisqa javoblar. Do you like tennis? Tennisni yoqtirasizmi? Yes, I do. Ha, men yoqtiraman. Agar siz yoqtirmasangiz, inkor shaklda no, I don't deb javob berishingiz mumkin, ya'ni yoqtirmayman. Do you like football? No, I don't. Siz futbolni yoqtirasizmi? Yo'q, men yoqtirmayman. Do you like ice cream? Siz muzqaymog'ni yoqtirasizmi? Bu savolga siz ikki xil usulda javob berishingiz mumkin. Agar siz yoqtirsangiz, yes, I do, men yoqtiraman deb javob berishingiz mumkin. Yoqtirmasangiz, no, I don't deb inkor qilishingiz mumkin. Now, let's learn some new words together. Keling birgalikda yangi so'zlarni o'rganamiz. Live, yashamoq. Work, ishlamoq. Speak, gapirmoq. Now, pause the video and answer these questions. Videoni to'xtating va quyidagi savollarga javob bering. Countries and nations. Mamlakatlar va millatlar. Now pause the video and match the countries with nations. Videoni to'xtating va mamlakatlarni millatlar bilan birlashtiring. Now let's check your answers together. England, Angliya. English, Ingliz. Germany, Germaniya. German, German. Italy, Italiya. Italyan, italiyalik. Meksiko, Meksika, Meksikan, meksikalik. Brazil, Braziliya, Brazilian, braziliyalik. O'zbekiston, O'zbekiston, O'zbek, o'zbek. Japan, Yaponiya, Japanese, yaponiyalik. Portugal, Portugaliya, Portugiz, portugaliyalik. China, Xitoy, Chinese, xitoylik. France, Fransiya, French, fransuz. The United States, Amerika Qo'shma Shtatlari. American, amerikalik. Spain, Ispaniya, Spanish, ispaniyalik. Now pause the video and match the countries with their languages. Videoni to'xtating va mamlakatlarni ularning tili bilan birlashtiring. Now let's check your answers together. Birgalikda javoblaringizni tekshiramiz. In Brazil, they speak Portuguese. Braziliyada ular portugal tilida so'zlashadi. In Canada, they speak English and French. Kanadada ular ingliz va fransuz tilida so'zlashadi. In France, they speak French. Fransiyada ular fransuz tilida so'zlashadi. In Uzbekistan, they speak Uzbek. O'zbekistonda ular o'zbek tilida so'zlashadi. In Italy, they speak Italian. Italiyada ular italyan tilida so'zlashadi. In Japan, they speak Japanese. Yaponiyada ular yapon tilida so'zlashadi. In Mexico, they speak Spanish. Meksikada ular ispan tilida so'zlashadi. In Portuguese, they speak in Portuguese. Portugaliyada ular portugal tilida so'zlashadi. In Spain, they speak Spanish. Ispaniyada ular ispan tilida gaplashadi. In Switzerland, they speak German, French and Italian. Shvetsariyada ular german, fransuz va italyan tilida so'zlashadi. The United States, they speak English. Amerika Qo'shma Shtatlarida ular ingliz tilida so'zlashadi. In Germany, they speak German. Germaniyada ular german tilida so'zlashadi. Now, let's learn some English numbers together. Keling birgalikda ingliz tilida sonlarni o'rganamiz. 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100, 100. Price, narx. Pound, funt. Penny, tin. Now let's read the prices together. 30 penny, 30 tin. 50 penny, 50 tin. 75 penny, 75 tin. 1 pound, 1 funt. 20 pounds, 20 funt. 75 pounds, 75 funt. 1 pound 60, 1,60 funt. 3 pounds 45, 3,45 funt. 22 pounds 80, 22,80 funt. Now pause the video, ask and answer questions with a partner. Videoni to'xtating va do'stingiz bilan savol-javob qiling. This is all for today's lessons. Thanks for your attention. Goodbye.